Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how to A-B test your interactive content in Outgrow so you can compare different versions, understand what performs better, and improve your conversion rates using real user data. To get started quickly, we'll use Outgrow's AI assistant. Simply describe your idea, for example. Create a marketing quiz with 4 outcomes to engage my audience. Next, Outgrow AI generates multiple ideas for you. Simply pick the one you like. Then, Outgrow AI suggests a title, description, and several questions related to your request. Once everything looks good, click Looks Good to continue. After you approve the questions, it begins creating the quiz outcomes. Once the outcomes are approved, it asks for your website URL to apply your branding. After you provide your website URL, it moves to the final step, where you can choose a quiz symbol. After this step is complete, your quiz is ready. You can preview and edit your quiz using the following links. Open your interactive content from the Outgrow Builder. Click on the 3 dots in the right corner under the Build section, and then click on the A-B Testing button. You will then be redirected to the A-B Testing Hub dashboard. Now click on the Create Your A-B Testing Group button. You will enter Step 1. Select the content you want to add to your new group. Here, you can find the search bar to find your content piece for A-B testing. Now click on the content piece that you want to add to your A-B test. Now click on the search button again to select another content piece for A-B testing. Select the other content piece that you want to add to your A-B test. Now you will enter Step 2, Set Traffic Distribution. By default, Outgrow splits traffic equally between both versions. You can adjust the percentage however you'd like. Now you need to set the A-B testing traffic diversion. Here you will find 3 options: No criteria, date equals, and total leads equals. You can also configure the criteria for automatic diversion to the winning content. This can be done by selecting a specific date or total number of leads as the criteria for automatic diversion. In Step 3, you can assign a group name that will be used to identify the newly created group, and you can also specify the parent URL on which the A-B test will run. In the last step, you can optimize the SEO for the newly created group by configuring the SEO title, meta description, uploading a browser favicon for your brand, and uploading a featured image. Click on Save A-B Testing Group to save the configuration. You can embed the content on your website as well by clicking on the Embed button. You can choose either the full page or in-page embed type to embed your content on your website. You can analyze the traffic data using the Analyze tab. You can track parameters such as views, started, leads, completed, and engagements. You can also click on Edit to modify the group configuration. If you want to delete the A-B testing setup, click on the Delete button. Ready to optimize your interactive content? Start A-B testing today with Outgrow and discover which experience delivers the best results. Start your 7-day free trial